All right, guys, Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. We are out here in Riverton with some homes built by Edge in the Mountain Ridge community. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we go, guys. There's my number in the corner of the screen. We need to act fast if we're going to get you into one of these homes in the Mountain Ridge community. So, built by Edge Homes in this community, named after the high school that is just a little bit like a quarter mile south and across the street. This is the Natalie, a beautiful model home with a nice open floor plan, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,466 square feet with an unfinished basement that could bring it up to 3,644 square feet. More content on the channel, so like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my content. It'll go directly to your phone when it is uploaded. So there is the garage for the model home. So of course you'll be getting a nice epoxied floor if you ended up buying this one. But there will be plenty more if you were to build with Edge Homes in this community to build this Natalie model. And this specific build of the Natalie is the Scandinavian build floor plan. And I just hope you guys enjoy us going through this and really appreciating all the work Edge Homes puts into their work. They are really known for not having to advertise or market their communities very much because they get sold out fast. Their quality, everyone likes them, they're popular, and their word gets spread. So enjoy the tour. We'll talk a little bit more about this at the end. I'll see you there. Alright guys, so that was the Nora model home here in the Mountain Ridge community built by Edge. And this one is 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms with an unfinished basement. So don't forget about that and the potential it has for its value to go up and for to have more bedrooms and more bathrooms when you finish that basement downstairs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, if you're interested in a home built by Edge or any real estate in Utah, make sure to give me a call or text. That's what I'm here for. I specialize in new construction, helping guide you through kind of their contracts. You make sure you know what you're getting into, and so that you know what kind of community you're getting into as well, what you're getting with that. So if you want to see more content on that as well, make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you on the channel again. Thank you so much for coming to this video. I'm Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. We'll see you on the next video.